Home remedies for heel spurs. A heel spur occurs when calcium deposits build up on the underside of the heel bone. The abnormal calcium deposits from when the plantar fascia pulls away from the heel. This stretching of the plantar fascia is common among the people who have flat feet, but people with unusually high arches can also develop this problem. Heel spurs are especially common among athletes who do a lot of running and jumping. Also, women who wear high heels have a significantly higher incidence of heel spurs. Still, it can happen to anyone. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great remedy for treating heel spurs. It helps pull out excess calcium from the area of a heel spur, provides pain relief, and reduces inflammation. Cut out a piece of towel in the shape of your foot and submerge it in the apple cider vinegar. Place the soft towel in your shoe and wear it. Make sure to keep the towel moist throughout the day. Follow this treatment for at least an ice pack. Ice can be used to reduce pain and control the inflammation and swelling associated with heel spurs. It will also help relax the muscles. Freeze a bottle of water, roll it under your foot for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this as soon as you feel pain after a day of rigorous activity. Baking soda. Baking soda is another good home remedy for heel spurs. The crystals in baking soda will help reduce calcium deposits built up on the bottom of the heel bone. Plus, it will help reduce pain and inflammation. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda and a little water to make a paste. Apply this paste on the heel spur and secure with it the gauze and duct tape. Repeat twice daily for several days. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can help soothe your heels, giving you instant relief from the pain. It can also reduce inflammation. Put 2 to 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a tub of warm water. Soak the affected heel in the tub for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently massage your heel to alleviate the pressure. Apply some moisturizer and go to sleep. Repeat daily before going to bed. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is also good for heel spur treatment. Being a natural moisturizing agent, it helps soften your spur and relieves pain. Also, coconut oil contains calcium, which is required for healthy bone formation. Massage the affected area with warm coconut oil. Leave it on for a few hours to get relief from pain and inflammation. Do this every day before going to bed to prevent discomfort in the morning. You can also take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil daily in the morning.